When Princess Diana lost her life in a tragic car accident that left Prince Harry without a mother, British tabloids blamed the royal family. Immediately, that was the moment they turned on the royal family. After getting all those scoops from the royal family, after even getting away with putting a camera on Princess Diana's gym that she was training in, after getting away with so much relentless harassment, they turned on the royal family. When Caroline Flack committed suicide, the British tabloids blamed ITV for hanging her out to dry. That was a comment made by Dan Wootton. They always blame every single person other than themselves for the crimes that they commit. They do that time and time again. They're so used to doing it. When will there ever be accountability for their actions? They blame every single person whenever they commit a crime other than themselves. They don't blame the harassment that leads to the loss of the lives of others. Most of the times, women are their victims. They don't blame themselves. Even when Meghan has suicidal thoughts, they blame it on others but not themselves. And they continue to harass her even now. When will it end? When will there be justice for Caroline Flack? The Sun deleted all slander, incitement of hate articles they published against Caroline Flack. They hid them all away, but not before we found out about what they were doing. And they've been doing this and they've been getting away with this for quite a long time. They've been doing this for a long time. If you think Meghan is the first, then you're wrong. They've been doing this for a long time. Meghan is just their new person, the new line of attack, the new target that they want to continue harassing, even when she wants nothing to do with them. Now, in this case, judges are expected to give their ruling on the publisher of the Mail on Sunday's bid to overturn the Duchess of Sussex victory in the privacy battle over a letter to her estranged father next week. And I've said the only interest for the Daily Mail in this court is not a matter of public interest. I can't say that somebody would want to care about what a different woman writing a letter to her father, or even you writing a letter to your father. That's your private business between you and your father. It has no business in the public domain. But British tabloids don't care about that. They will do everything in their power to demean Meghan, to abuse Meghan. It's just how they've always behaved for a long time, since the relationship between Meghan and Harry became public. The only interest in this case for the British tabloids is the ability to continue bullying, incitement of hate towards Meghan, and to send a message to others. If you come after us, this is what will happen to you. You may win the case, but we'll make it very, very difficult for you in the process. We'll make it very, very difficult for you in the process. That's why even Meghan lost a child. Meghan sued Associated Newspapers Limited, also the publisher of the Mail Online, over 5 articles that reproduced parts of a personal and private letter to Thomas Markle. ANL later brought an appeal against the High Court judge's decision to grant Meghan summary judgment, meaning she won her case without a trial. According to court list published on Friday, the Court of Appeal's decision on the challenge will be delivered on December the 2nd. At the 3-day hearing earlier this month, ANL argued the case should go to trial on Meghan's claims, including breach of privacy and copyright. Judge Sir Geoffrey Vos, Dame Victoria Sharp, and Lord Justice Bean were told that 585 out of 1,250 words had been republished in the 5 articles. Meghan's barristers argued that the letter was deeply personal and self-evidently was intended to be kept private. In her written evidence, Meghan denied she thought it was likely that her father, Thomas Markle, would leak the letter, but merely recognized that this was a possibility. Jason Noe, former communications secretary to the Duke and Duchess of Sussex, now currently working for Prince William and has always been working for Prince William since they were both under the wing of Kensington Palace, claimed in a witness statement that Meghan wrote the letter with the understanding that it could be leaked. He said that she had sent him an early draft of the letter and that Meghan had written, obviously everything I have drafted is with the understanding that it could be leaked, so I have been meticulous in my word choice, but please do let me know if anything stands out for you as a liability. When Harry and Meghan wanted to leave the UK and start their lives over somewhere else, far away from the bullying and the abusive tabloids that had caused Meghan and Prince Harry so much mental distress, Prince Harry was afraid. Prince Harry was asked to put pen to a letter and write a letter indicating his intentions. Prince Harry was worried that even if he wrote a letter, it would be leaked. And true, it was leaked to Dan Wootton again. There is no form of professionalism in the UK, absolutely zero professionalism. They normally leak everything. Nothing in this world leaks more than Kensington Palace. Nothing. Even the tap at your home doesn't leak more than Kensington Palace. Now, in a further text released by the court, the Duchess can be seen expressing her frustration about the response of the royal family, describing them as constantly berating Prince Harry. The Court of Appeal also heard that Mr. Noe provided information to the authors of Finding Freedom, Omid Scobie and Caroline Durand. And clearly, Finding Freedom was sanctioned by Kensington Palace. Okay? There are so many hate books against Meghan. All that seem to be perfectly okay with British tabloids as long as they're inciting hate against Meghan. If you're not inciting hate against Meghan, if you're not writing defamatory stories against Meghan that she has to call in her lawyers, then you're called a Meghan cheerleader. That's the UK. Now, Court of the Appeal judges are expected to give their ruling on Thursday at 10 a.m. I'd like to end this by saying that I'm wishing that Meghan wins a court case. She's been through a lot, and all I want for her is for her to have peace, joy, and continue being happy as she is in California. And this dark past, the dark British tabloids past, the royal family past, to all put behind and move forward. This case should be put behind her, and so she can continue just moving forward. But I'm glad that she's been moving forward regardless of anything that has happened. She's joined Netflix, she's doing a documentary for them. Prince Harry is doing the same, and I'm just so happy for them, and I cannot wait to see what is in store by them for us. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you for liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment below. With so much love from Circle Family TV. Stay tuned for our next video. Feel free to watch our videos and enjoy them. With so much love from Cisco Family TV. Thank you.